Medibank Chief Executive Craig Drummo says the private health insurer is disappointed that the competition watchdog is appealing a court case that it lost against Medibank earlier this year, in which it alleged the company engaged in misconduct by keeping its members in the dark over new limits on benefits for in-hospital blood tests and scans. The ACCC lost its federal court case against Medibank in late August. It alleged Medibank failed to give notice to members about its decision to limit benefits paid for in-hospital pathology and radiology services, and that the company was attempting to prop up its earnings in order to maximize value ahead of a listing on the stock exchange. But Federal Court Justice O'Callaghan dismissed all allegations and ordered the ACCC to pay Medibank's court costs. At the time, ACCC Chairman Rod Sims said the watchdog was considering an appeal. The ACCC believes that consumers have a right to be informed in advance of important changes to their private health insurance cover. Addressing the company's annual general meeting in Melbourne on Monday afternoon, Mr. Drummo said, "We were somewhat disappointed that the ACCC has appealed that decision. But, to be clear, we defended the decision because we believe that we have not done anything wrong." Mr. Drummo said while affordability in our sector remains a significant concern, the insurer had over the year paid $5.2 billion in benefits to its customers, and supported them through 1.3 million hospital admissions, 500,000 surgical procedures, and about 23.5 million extra services. Executive pay, environmental issues, corporate ethics, and gambling are among those that company executives have had to front when facing fiery shareholders at annual general meetings. Mr. Drummo, a former National Australia Bank executive, earns a base salary of $1.5 million with incentives that could net him up to $2.5 million. The majority of shareholders voted in favor of the remuneration report. On Monday morning, ahead of its annual general meeting, Chairwoman Elizabeth Alexander announced the health insurer would dump its holdings in fossil fuel companies amid concern over the health effects of climate change. The company, which has 3.7 million private health insurance customers on its books, delivered total full-year dividend of 12 cents per share fully franked. The company's net profit after tax was up 7.6% to $449.5 million. Helped by stronger equity and credit markets. Medibank Private in August said overall market volumes were expected to be flat in fiscal 2018. The company expects to stabilize its market share by the end of 2019. Shares in Medibank Private on Monday afternoon were trading 1 cent lower at $3.15. Mr. Drummo said Medibank was operating in a challenging environment, with the participation rate in private health insurance the lowest in 4 years. "Over the last year I've spent a lot of time on the road, meeting our customers to understand what we are doing well, and what we need to fix," he said. "While not every issue we encounter is a simple fix, where we can, we make adjustments and we do it quickly.